There are a lot of misconceptions about the role of an interior designer. It's often portrayed that an interior designer comes in at the end of the construction process to pick out paint, wallpaper, and while we do make those selections, there's so much that has to happen in the design process before we reach that point. My definition of a residential interior designer is a trained professional with the skill set to not only design, but execute functional and aesthetically pleasing interiors. Often people think interior designers come in at the end of the build process, but in reality, ideally, most of our design is done before you even break ground. Bringing a designer on early in the process allows us to meet with you, discuss your needs, and then make any necessary tweaks to your floor plan before construction. In the early phases of the design process, we'll create an aesthetic direction for your home, and then we'll design the individual spaces. We start with areas that may require changes to the plumbing and electrical plans and require that the material is on site early in the build, such as kitchens, fireplaces, tile, plumbing fixtures, electrical fixtures, essentially anything that's stuck to the house. This process and these drawings create a roadmap for your contractor to be able to install everything we selected as per plan. They include every detail imaginable down to the width of your grout joint and exactly where we want your knob placed on your cabinet door. Once construction begins, we'll coordinate the delivery of all your materials in the order in which they're needed on site. For instance, plumbing is one of the first things that the contractor will need, so we'll make sure that it is ordered and delivered and on site when they're framing so that they can get the roughs in the wall. We also act as client liaison. We make frequent site visits to make sure that what we presented to you and what we agreed upon is what is being installed in the field. This is also the time to begin ordering your soft finishes, such as your rugs, furniture, and window treatments, so that they're ready for delivery when construction is complete. This is the part where we actually do what people think interior designers do. Once your site has been professionally cleaned, we can put in our final finishes such as wallpaper, any specialty finishes on the wall like a lime wash. Your window treatments will be delivered, your furniture will be delivered. We'll hire someone to professionally hang any artwork, pictures, and mirrors, and then we'll do the final touches such as pillows and accessories to personalize your space.